Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your WordPress website with Google Search Console. This easy guide will help you understand the process step by step, ensuring your site is properly indexed and monitored by Google. We will cover adding your property, choosing a verification method, and finally, confirming your site's connection. Getting your WordPress site into Search Console is a crucial step for improving its online presence and understanding its performance in search results. Let's get started. First, open Google Search Console in your web browser. You will see an option to add property. Here, you can choose to add your entire domain or a specific URL prefix. For most WordPress sites, adding the full domain is recommended for comprehensive coverage. Simply type in your website's address, like example.com, and click Continue. This sets the stage for the next important step, verifying ownership. Next, you need to prove you own the website. Google offers several verification methods. The HTML tag method involves copying a small piece of code and pasting it into your WordPress site's header section, often using a plugin. Alternatively, you can download an HTML file and upload it to your site's root directory via FTP. If you use Google Analytics or Tag Manager, verification can be almost instant. The DNS record method is also available for advanced users. Once you have implemented your chosen verification method, return to Google Search Console and click the Verify button. It might take a few moments, or up to 48 hours, for Google to confirm ownership and start collecting data. After successful verification, you can begin monitoring your WordPress site's performance, checking for indexing issues, and understanding how users find your content. This powerful tool provides invaluable insights to help you optimize your website for better search visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.